In this question, to find out the f dash x, first we need to find out the value of fx. So fx is integration 0 to x t sin t dt. So first we need to integrate the function. So function will be t sin t dt. So if I found ft, which is the antiderivative of the given function t sin t dt, I'll get since it is the integration of products of two functions, so it can be integrated by using the by parts method. In by parts method, integration f, let's say t is the first function, which is fx ft, and sin t gt, then over integration ft equals to integration t sin t dt. So it will be now the first function ft multiplied by integration of second function sin t dt minus integration derivative of the first function, so which is d by dt of ft, which is t, multiplied by integration of second function, which is sin t dt dot dt. So from here I'll get ft equals to, it will become t multiplied by minus of cos t, since the integration of sin t dt is minus cos t, minus integration dt, the derivative of t is 1, so 1 dot minus of cos t dt. So I'll get ft equals to minus of t cos t plus cos integration of cos t is sin t, so I'll get sin t. So this is ft, and I know that integration I equals to ft, the lower limit 0 and the upper limit x, so it will be which is equals to fx, so it will be fx minus f0. So if I put the value of t, which is x, then I'll get minus x cos t cos x. I'm putting the value of t, which is value of t here, so here t equals to x, so minus x cos t cos x plus sin x minus, if I put 0 here, I'll get minus of 0 into cos 0 plus sin 0. So the second term f0 will be 0, so I'll get fx equals to minus x cos x plus sin x. So f dash x will be d by dx of fx. So from here I can put the value of fx, which is minus x cos x plus sin x. So from here I'll get its derivative will be minus of x d by dx of cos x minus cos x d by dx of x plus d by dx of sin x. So from here I'll get derivative of cos x is minus of sin x, so minus of sin x minus cos x into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of sin x is cos x. So I'll get f dash x equals to x sin x minus cos x plus cos x. So it will be f dash x equals to x sin x. So this will be our final answer.